Step 1, we're going to sign up for a Fiverr account. So basically here's how this works. You create a gig, and display it for sale, then people buy that gig, you then deliver your work, or service, and then you get paid. Without wasting much time, click on the, where it says, Become a Seller, or, Join, in the He page, or in the menu bar. Either of them will redirect you to the same sign-up page. If you already have an account, click Sign In. So here we are on Fiverr's sign-up page. We're assuming you don't have a Fiverr account yet. So, you can sign up, using either Facebook, Google, Apple, or entering your email address manually. For this tutorial, we'll just enter ours manually. Click Next, then you'll be taken to this page where you type in your email, and create your desired password. Your password should have 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and a number. Then click on Continue, to proceed. Next, create your username. Remember, you cannot change your username after you've signed up, so make sure to go with one that is you're satisfied with. Don't think you can use any name and when you get a better one, you'll change it, cause it's going to be permanent. Once you've created it, make sure to do critical research and thinking before choosing your username, so as to create one that resonates with your brand identity. Your username should be up to 6 characters. Once your username name has been validated by Fiverr, you'll see a little green tick, like the one on the screen now. You can now click Create Account to click Join. You'll be taken to this verification page now. We'll have to activate our account. We'll head over to our email, the one we used to sign up in their website. This is what the message in your inbox will look like. There will be an OTP number code there. Once we enter that same code on the website, it will automatically verify your account. Next, we have to choose what we want to use Fiverr for. Whether we want to sell our services, or purchase other people's services, or do both of them. We are going to select both of them so that in the future, if there is any need to collaborate with another freelancer on a project that requires you to purchase a gig from, there will be no limitations on our account to do that. We tick the both of them, and click Next. Now, on this page, you're required to indicate whether you need Fiverr for a side gig, or for personal use, or for a primary job, or business. We'll just tick for primary business, and click Next. If you feel that does not suit what you want to do on Fiverr, then choose the option that suits you best. You then complete the remaining steps, according to your preference. Don't forget to identify that you are here to start a project, and not just explore, or do any other stuff. And we're done with these simple steps. We've just created a Fiverr account, super easy, right? Now, smash the like button below, and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. In this step, we are going to be setting up our Fiverr profile. This is where your professionality begins. You have to make sure that your entire profile portrays reliability, in order to draw attention to your brand. Before that, we'll have a little look around, so that we will understand the functionality of the site. This is what the home page will look like. If you scroll downwards, you'll see categories of gigs that are available for sale. There is graphics design, digital marketing, and there are lots more. These are just little examples. Here are gigs that are already for sale on the platform. If you scroll, you'll see more. If you're looking gigs in a specific area, you can just use the search bar. Now take a look at this gig. It has a pro label on it. This means that this freelancer, over the time, has been able to create trust with the Fiverr team, and has been verified as a legitimate freelancer. That takes time and hard work. If you're quite observative, you'll notice that his gigs are listed for a higher price than most other gigs. He also has a higher chance of selling his gigs because of the pro badge, so that's definitely what we're all working toward as beginners. Without the pro badge, you can still make more sales than verified freelancers if you're able to deliver top-notch results to your clients and earn a high Fiverr ranking.
That's it for this section. If you want a full training, course material, on how to become a successful freelancer on Fiverr, then the displayed program on your screen. Welcome back. This is the second segment of the Fiverr Freelance Upskill course. If you didn't go through the first segment of this course, the link is in the description below. It's important, so that you'll get a better understanding of the steps we take in this video and why we take them. Now let's kick off. In this section we are going to scale through our branding on Fiverr, and we'll also learn how to create and optimize our Fiverr gigs. We'll start with branding. In a nutshell, Branding is crafting our brand's voice so that it speaks to our clients about what our brand offers. Branding includes our brand username, our brand profile photo, skill set and education and certification. Before doing that, let's first convert our normal Fiverr account to a seller Fiverr account, so that we can start sell gigs with the account. But we'll do that after we've mastered the interface of the platforms. Head over to your Fiverr account homepage, just like the one displayed on your screen now, and click on your username, where the green arrow on the screen points at. Hey, quick tip: you can earn $100 in Fiverr credits by referring people. But let's not deviate, we'll get back to that later. When you've clicked on your username, it'll take you to this page. This is your profile page, where you can edit anything about your profile. Just navigate through the page, you'll see where you can edit your languages, skills, education. You can as well edit other settings according to your preference. There are also categories over here: the About page, Community, Business Solutions, and lots more. There are also courses on different fields and topics that you can purchase on the Learn page. You can enroll and purchase any course if you need it. Here's what it will look like. One is listed for $69, the other is $43, and they all have their specific fields. Like the first one has to do with marketing, the second one is on copywriting. If you want to see the category of courses, in case you're looking for a specific one, then click on the menu button on the top right corner of the page. So that's it for now. Head back to the home page and click on the menu button. Down here, click where it says Post a Request. With this feature, you can request freelancers to handle your personal project if you have any. In case you need a freelancer to take up a personal task for you, this is where you put it and then set your budget. We'll not be doing that for now. Remember, don't take up any gig you can't handle, cause it's against Fiverr's guidelines. So, just click the highlighted button which says Become a Seller. It'll redirect us to the seller page where we can create our gig, deliver our work and get paid. Click on the Become a Seller button. As you can see, it is broken down into 3 easy steps. Get notified on what makes a successful profile. Create your seller profile. Publish your gig. By clicking Continue, you learn the tips that'll increase your credibility on Fiverr. You can take some time to read them, so that you understand it perfectly. Click Continue. On this next page are acts you steer clear of. They are: do not provide any inaccurate information about your identity. Do not open duplicate accounts on the Fiverr platform. Do not solicit other community members for work on Fiverr. Do not ask for payment or communication outside of Fiverr's platform. Now, hit Continue and let's keep moving. On this page, you fill your full name and your last name. You then fill the name you want to be displayed on your Fiverr account, under the Display Name section. Next is your profile photo and description. You can then add your languages, your occupation, skills, education, certification, personal website if you have any. Then click Continue. Next, for your account security, you're required to provide your email and phone number. Remember, it has to be one you have full access to. Click on the Continue and Create Your First Gig button. This is a free course hosted in Fiverr to boost your knowledge of freelancing. For our gig, we'll complete 6 steps. Step 1. Overview. First in this step is our gig title. Second, the category which your gig falls under. Next, search tags and positive keywords. This will improve the visibility of your gig on Fiverr. You can take some time to read this pop-up message on the screen to understand better the function of search tags and how to use them. Then, click Save and Continue. Step 2. Pricing. Here, we set the price for our gig. Make sure to be reasonable in your pricing and charge according to the value you offer. Step 3. The description for your gig. Here you tell your customer about the services you're going to offer to them. It also includes frequently asked questions for your clients to get a better understanding of your gig. Step 4. The gallery section. You can add up to 3 different images that'll serve as a pictorial representation of your gig. It could be past projects, you've completed. This will prove to your customers the reliability of your skills. You can also add a short video about your gig, but in whatever you do, make sure to do it professionally. If you're from or live in the US, you'll need to fill out a W-9 form. If you haven't verified your phone number, you'll need to do so. Once you've done that, you can post your gig on Fiverr's platform. It's as easy as that. As long as you follow all rules and guidelines, you have nothing to worry about. Now, if you want to make more sales on Fiverr, don't just sit put and wait for clients to find you. We go out searching for people who might be in need of our services, then with our unique gig link, refer them to where they can buy all gigs. You can share your gig on various social media platforms and make even more sales. That's it for now. Give us a thumbs up and type FIVERR insight in the comments section if you found this video relevant. We'll be creating more inciting videos like this. Remember to subscribe and stay notified on our latest updates, and share this video to anyone you think it would be of importance to. If have any questions, suggestions or clarifications to make, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. See you on the next one.